Welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. So we are starting the day off pretty late today. It's almost 11 a.m. and I don't typically start off my days this late, but it's a Saturday morning and I was really tired last night. I had a really busy week and I thought that I would just give myself the much needed rest. So I'm about to kind of get my day started right now. I made my to-do list. If you're someone who is constantly feeling overwhelmed or just stressed out about life, write a to-do list, okay? It will help you so much. So my intentions for the next few days and in this vlog is to prioritize what's important and work on finding balance in these next few days, because I don't want to burn myself out and overwork myself, because like I said, last week was really busy and then this week is going to be a busy week too. I have an exciting new project that I'm working on, which I think I can share now. I talked about it, I'm not sure, it was either in my podcast or in one of my vlogs, but I was reached out to by my fitness studio that I love to go to. I talk about them on my vlog, I've showed them on my channel. They reached out to me and asked me to be one of their first official brand ambassadors. First, I jumped on it when they asked me because I love the fitness studio. I'm really excited. I'm also a little bit nervous because this is the first time where I really have to like create content and put myself out there in public around other people. Since this is a fitness studio, I have to create content at the actual studio and when I'm there and when other people are there, and I have that coming up this week along with, you know, everything else that I already am doing and working on. So I really want to take this weekend to kind of get my life together. So that's what I'm gonna do in a moment. And then later today, if I have the time and energy, I really want to clean out my closet. So I recently came across a TikTok that was basically saying how, and I completely agree with this in every capacity, but it was saying how things, like physical things, hold energy, and sometimes the energy that physical things have just don't align with us anymore, the same way that people have energy or places have energy. It just explained perfectly how I've been feeling with my clothes, and I really want to build up a new wardrobe to match the person that I feel I am now and am becoming, and really elevate my wardrobe and my pieces. But before I do that, I want to clean out my closet, get rid of the old so I can make room for the new. With that being said, let's go ahead and get on with today's vlog. So I do have quite a bit of stuff, but honestly, I feel like I wear maybe 10% of what's in my closet, if that. So there is definitely a lot that I need to get rid of. And I will definitely be donating whatever I get rid of. I already have a bag down there of old clothes, so I'm gonna add more to that and donate it. So I have it pulled up right here of all my style inspo and things like that. That way, as I go through my closet, I can kind of reference this and see, okay, does this align with anything that I have on here? I am all ready for brunch. I just have to call my Uber. Let me do that right now. Okay, so we are all ready to go. I just booked my Uber. It should be here in a few minutes. Let me show you my little outfit. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, to be honest. Like, I know I have my shoes on in the house. I don't normally wear my shoes in the house, but I'm about to head out, so didn't want to take them off. But I'm wearing these denim straight leg jeans that are thrifted, and then I have this black bodysuit on. I cannot remember the brand, but it's just like a basic black bodysuit. And then I have this oversized blazer that is also thrifted as well. This is my little outfit of the day. I'm not...
Who is it, girl? A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess you made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no. I've been thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead?
Happy Monday, you guys. It is Monday, but it very much feels like a Sunday today. And today we're going to just have a life admin kind of day. I didn't finish getting my stuff together for the week this weekend just because I went to brunch with my friend, which Sundays I usually kind of dedicate to getting my life together, but that's totally okay because I had such a great time with her. Girl time is important, you know? So today we are finishing up what we didn't finish this weekend and just kind of getting ourselves ready for the week. I actually have a to-do list. You ready? On days like today, I absolutely need a to-do list, so I'm not, you know, overwhelmed. But today I have to finish putting away my laundry and my dishes. I still have one more load to do, and then I have to fold my laundry and things like that. I have to make our grocery list. There is absolutely nothing in our fridge. And then I have to schedule some events and appointments in my calendar. There's a lot of things coming up in these next few weeks. And then I have to plan my content for the week. And that takes me a few hours to do as well. So I'll probably do that after I finish kind of cleaning up around here and getting my life in order. But yeah, that is pretty much what we are doing today. Got back from Pilates about an hour or so ago. It was actually a strength class, not Pilates. It was so hard. I was trembling in there. I've kind of been all over the place this week, and I am feeling really burnt out and overwhelmed and just really not like myself this week. I'm just trying to find a balance between work and life and self-care and not burning out. Whatever your situation is, I know that it's so easy to feel like you're not doing enough, or you're falling behind, or the to-do list never ends, and you know there's too much on your plate and you don't know if you can balance it all. And I completely relate and resonate with that. As I was feeling this way, I decided, okay, I need to make some changes. This is not helping. Me feeling this way is not going to help me get done the things that I need to get done. So I need to prioritize my mental health right now and focus on myself before I try to accomplish or complete anything. With all that in mind, I think I'm going to just take my time today and the rest of this week to just focus on feeling good, do some journaling, do some stretching, because my body is so sore from the workouts that I did this week. And honestly, it's moments like this where I'm really grateful that I've learned about my cycle and cycle syncing and the different phases, because feeling the way that I'm feeling right now is really, really normal for this phase or season that I'm in my cycle. Before I knew this information, I used to get really down on myself and be so hard on myself for not feeling as energized or being as productive as I was 2 weeks before, because I can easily understand myself better and practice more self-compassion and not be so hard on myself. Also, I just got a new workout set. It is so cute. Let me show you guys. I actually purchased 2 workout sets from Amazon. This one arrived last night, and I actually just got a notification that my other package arrived just now. My camera's about to die, but this is the 2-piece set that I got off of Amazon, and it's super comfortable. I was bloated this morning. Like I said, I'm about to start my period. I feel like it sucked me in pretty well despite being bloated. They are definitely squat proof. I did a strength class today focusing on lower body, and there was a lot of squatting, and the top is just this one shoulder. Now, I don't know if it's just me because I'm not used to these kind of tops, but I did feel like it was going to expose myself, but everything stayed in place. I think it was just me being uncomfortable with, you know, having such a low sports top and, you know, it being one shoulder, but it was fine. Definitely wouldn't wear this if I was doing like a high intensity workout class, but today was a low impact strength class, so it was totally fine. Yeah, I will be sure to link this below.